Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam and we are at my favorite place in the world, and that is the SEMA Show. That's right, it's 2024. We're in Las Vegas at this year's SEMA Show, and per usual, Toyota has brought some amazing things. Right now, I want to talk about the new 4Runner. That's right, the 4Runner has been around. It's a nameplate that's been around for over 40 years now. That's crazy. They've sold over 3 million copies of this vehicle. So I really want to look at this new one. This one is a little bit extra special. You may see the snorkel right here. This is the Trailhunter. I really dig in this vehicle. I am a big 4Runner fan going way back. The new ones are different. You have no more naturally aspirated engine. There's no more V6 like we had in this forever. The transmission's been updated as well. So I want to talk a little bit about that, but I do want to just say that the design here is excellent. I'm loving the color combo with the wheels. The interior's looking really good too. Guys, let's go over this new Toyota 4Runner Trailhunter. Let's talk specific details about the 2025 4Runner. Now remember, the 4Runner is all new for 2025. I tell you what, I think it looks extra sharp. I'm especially liking this Trailhunter spec. Now that snorkel looks extra awesome on the side, but think about the other things you're getting here with the Trailhunter spec. In addition to the standard specs, you are getting, it's integrating off-road equipment from ARB, Old Man Emu, and Rigid Industries. They just make it that much more tough, and you get it that way from the factory. But on the standard on the 4Runner is the iForce turbocharged engine. That's a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, 275 horsepower, 317 foot-pounds of torque. But this one here is the iForce Max. That's the hybrid powertrain, which produces up to 326 horsepower, combining the engine and the battery there. 326 horsepower and 465 foot-pounds of torque. Now, other things to really think about with the 2025 4Runner are, remember, this has been around a long time. So I think this is really going to be a good seller, and mainly because it's going to be even more versatile than ever before. This is something that you can fit a lot of people in, but it's also going to be great off-road. You're going to get that 8-speed automatic transmission, which is, I think, going to be the biggest factor in making the fuel mileage better, the fuel efficiency better compared to past 4Runners. To have something that's trail ready, that can carry this many people, and is this capable off-road, I think is really special. So there's many trim levels you can get this new 4Runner in. Talking about the SR5, TRD Sport, TRD Sport Premium, TRD Off-Road, TRD Off-Road Premium, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro, which we have here. Check out our video on that one. And the Trailhunter. Things in here are very rugged. While you have new and good tech, you got a nice big screen in here. Those things are great, but they are reminding you that this is a capable vehicle off-road, ready to do adventurous and rugged things. So you get these big, meaty buttons and switches in here, and that's on purpose. What this for is it's meant to last a long time. It's meant to be used, and even if it's a cold weather climate and you've got gloves on, you can still operate things in here. Or maybe you're working, you got work gloves on, it takes away some of the dexterity that you got. You can still run things in here, and that's why the switchgear is the way that it is. Toyotas are known for lasting a long time. They're expecting their buyers to have these and use these for a very long time because they know their buyers are very faithful. So you might as well build the interior to last, right? But I'm curious to know what you guys think. So let's wrap things up here on the Trailhunter. So what do you think of the new 4Runner? That's right, it shares the platform with the Tacoma, and actually the Tundra and the Sequoia are variants of this platform. And this is totally new for 4Runner fans, but this isn't new to Toyota. The whole hybrid thing, you know they're gonna make this thing tough. And come on, the roll down rear window is really awesome. Guys, I wanna thank you so much for joining us here at the SEMA Show. This is my happy place. I love to come here every year. The SEMA Show is truly special. It's somewhere that I know I long to go. For decades I wanted to find myself at the SEMA Show, and now that I'm able to come on a routine basis, I don't ever want to take that for granted, because this show truly is extra special. So if you never have been, I hope you can find a way to get here. But thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Look for more of our videos from the 2024 SEMA Show here, and I'm having a lot of fun here in the Toyota booth. There is some excellent stuff. Don't forget, you can find me. I am Naturally Aspirated Adam on Instagram, and you found us on youtube.com/DriveItOut. We look forward to bringing you more content. We have walk around reviews here at the shows. We also have in-depth car reviews and test drives, and we have, of course, car comparisons. Those are my favorites. So thanks a ton for watching, guys. I will see you in the next review.